Benchtop Mortiser helps to make precise joints rectangular or square in the wood effortlessly. They can be used on any type of wood that include teak, oak and others. It is portable, lightweight, and can be used to operate from different angles to make mortise and tenon joinery. They are safe, quiet, and won't generate lots of dust while operating. There are several brands that provide a wide array of mortiser models. It can be challenging to shortlist the best choice without proper information or guidelines. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop mortiser from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet Bench Mortiser. Jet is one of the most popular options out there if you are looking for a benchtop mortiser, as this model comes with a high user rating. The Jet Bench Mortiser is present in the first position in this article as it is the most reliable and durable option present in this article. This is due to the reason that you get an excellent build quality in it along with a 5-year-long warranty. It can offer this without being highly expensive or paying an extra premium for this. It uses rugged cast iron and steel for its construction that should easily last for a long time. Although due to its construction it weighs about 44 pounds, that is a bit on the higher side. You get a half HP electric motor in this benchtop mortiser that runs using 120 volt electricity input. It is able to offer a motor speed rating of 1752 RPM, that is quite decent when compared with other options out there. Its a half-inch chisel capacity is also quite great for woodworking. As for the head stroke, it is rated at 4 3/4 inch, that should be more than enough for most users out there. Number 2. Powermatic Bench Mortiser. The Powermatic Bench Mortiser boasts a robust motor operating at 1725 RPM and 115 V, despite its weight of 90 pounds, offering numerous advanced functionalities. Equipped with an inline depth stop mechanism, it prevents base racking by halting at preset depths. Additionally, its double lock system secures workpieces ranging from 0 to 5 inches thick, preventing slippage from both the top and side. The tool features a heavy-duty handle with reversible action, facilitating easy switching without the need for tools. Moreover, it ensures superior stability and precision with expanded work surfaces on both the table and fence. Number 3. Shopfox Bench Mortiser. Shopfox is a subsidiary of Woodstock International that specializes in manufacturing small machinery for DIY and commercial applications. Shopfox's bench mortiser runs on a 3/4 HP motor to deliver a steady speed of up to 3450 RPM. With this speed, you can easily power through a wide range of hard and soft wood. The motor has an aluminum fin housing along with a fan-cooled system to prevent it from overheating. The mortiser features a unique swiveling base that allows easy off-the-bench operations. The bench mortiser is equipped with a 1-2-inch drill chuck that provides precision and eliminates the need to change chisels and bits. Besides, the extra height allows you to use stock up to 7 3/8 inch thick. It is equipped with a heavy-duty fence to ensure the wood workpiece is stable and does not wobble. There is also an adjustable extra long 22-inch steel handle with 6 different index positions for providing leverage while working. Number 4. Makita Chain Mortiser. Makita stands out as a premium and upscale brand in the realm of power tools, renowned for its higher-priced offerings. The Makita 7104L benchtop mortiser, featured in this article, is notably expensive compared to other options. Despite its premium status, it falls short of being the most powerful or feature-laden choice, suggesting that better value alternatives may be found elsewhere. Sporting a 10.5 amp electric motor delivering a 1 HP output, it drives its a half HP chuck at a rapid 3200 RPM. Weighing 38.1 pounds, this mortiser is relatively lightweight, facilitating easy transportation, yet maintains a commendable build quality. However, its 1-year warranty falls short of expectations given its price. Despite this, its sharp chain enables precise cutting of lap joints up to 5 1/8 inches, complemented by a sizable adjustable vise and knob for secure log holding. Number 5. Recon 34 to 260 Benchtop Mortisers. Recon is one of the well-known brands offering a wide range of woodworking tools that are suitable for both DIY to heavy-duty applications. They manufacture economical, consistent, and high-quality products. This Recon Professional 34 to 260 Benchtop XY Mortiser has a sliding XY axis table that allows for boring mortises by positioning your work precisely. It is equipped with a powerful half HP motor delivering up to 1750 RPM. So, it handles and cuts mortises, even the heavy-duty tasks and the toughest of the woods without stalling. It has a spacious chuck that accommodates sizes of 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch of chisel bits, making it a versatile bench mortisers. It provides constant, solid cutting of numerous mortises, with the dovetail column having an adjustable stop. With its gas-filled stabilizer, the device controls the upward and downward chisel motion while working to make you feel safe. Furthermore, this XY directional table with adjustable stops offers ultimate positioning control and lets you focus on your work effectively. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.